I am the honest conversation with them. Unongala ngasemlanjeni. Molweni bantu abahle, igama lam ndinguVuyiseka Maguga, also known as Love Child, and these are Ekhaya Conversations. I'm with my co-host, Uzingisa Maziko, uMasithathu. Unkomo ezibomvu. Uchisana. You are the third generation yeKhoisan. Awunomhlaba? Ngaqala nomhlaba eKruger National Park.
Now somewhere Febene Pofolo.
Fonini banawo kwindawo ezintswembu.
Lo mhlambi wathathu. Uyayibona la njengabathathelwayo.
Hey, talking about ukuthathelwa, who have been the first 2 months of the year, it has been hectic politically.
Hey, I think it has to do with that guy, DT. Don't know because you never know, eh? Ingathi ngu-Akatacho, he touches move. But yeah, he definitely shook things up, eh?
Yeah.
Because, hey, kanga kuphela neveki.
Yeah, ekhona but
ebekiwe wabese senza izinto ezibukwayo shukumisa umhlaba wonke.
And I think like I was saying earlier, but he is used to running a business, so he takes decisions ingathi run a business kanti this is a country that is run by laws, is a country, and also in any relationships with other countries, meaning whatever decision that they take in their country, it affects other countries as well, which kind of makes me think. Earlier today, we tried to watch budget speech. So we found out by imiswe because bazamunyusa ivet ibengu 17%. Like
already funding, like we are bleeding, like literally bleeding money in South Africa. Donald Trump, when to your point, you were ingatu running campaign. We asked about when a reality show called The Apprentice.
Okay.
Mazala happen before the ambitions of a president and actually
becoming
gotten
one.
To be one twice. Payana wayexotha abantu left, right, and center. It was very interesting. Like when you work for him, ubarangaba wenze just one mistake, you are fired.
Yeah,
that was his go-to line.
You are fired.
Every episode, there was someone who got fired, and he makes sure into buyenza esihlangalaleni so that you feel the pain of flopping.
So this was a TV like show yakhe.
Yeah, the reality show. That's how he operated.
Oh, a reality show.
Like a reality show where he would hire umntana osandophuma university, trying to get a training into being a business person. So this was some sort of an in-service training program. But it was done on TV, on national or international because it was in South Africa. So Pioneer's his go-to line was, "You are fired." The minute Geo says that just one, even a tiny mistake, "You are fired." That was his go-to line.
Oh wow!
Every episode he made it a point. So sorry.
So
I think that's what he's doing with countries right now.
Yeah, because
he's firing everyone left, right, and center.
Yeah, but he can't do that. Well, it's a country.
Well, one thing though I'll give him credit for is in sticking to what he said he will do when he was campaigning. Because almost everything athe uzayenza during campaign yakhe uyenzile, including challenger ilanduk African leaders to be less corruptive and bahoye countries up. I am not condoning none of the negative stuff. Azenzayo. Even the foolish ones. Leyo banangaba ati hold accountable the African leaders. That I commend him.
I masenze bedere man ma Africa.
Yeah, why? We must, because andiyazi into ebangela uba umntu xana efoundwe out intoba batye imali or they procured some deal ngendlela erongo and then that person is found guilty. But instead of bana ngabagxotho, they'll get reassigned. So kusho ukuthi you're being given an opportunity uba uyomosha kwenye indawo. So izawuphela nini corruption. Anyway, Masiyeke, this is depressing because 17%, that's olenga it's a lot on a person.
Yeah, ne? So it's if February is a love month because of Valentine's Day, right? I've never cared about it. I don't know. I think, and they ask why, but I've never been someone that and actually doing something about it. Unfortunately, yeah, I like see clip. Why?
I think Kale was in high school, standard 7. What is that? Is it grade 1?
Grade
9.
Yeah.
Kale up kwazana nayo. Okay, no. High school, standard 6, I was introduced to it, but didn't really care much because then fika high school. But standard 7, I got curious because standard 6, ndaya ndinxibe uniform because I wasn't aware about we were supposed to wear red and white.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So standard 7, kuba ndinxolisiwe that previous year, but must wear red and white. So I was annoyed, but why? And nazo nezinto red and white in my wardrobe. As a result, I ended up wearing a rugby t-shirt. I think ndayibolekwa ngumalume wam or something.
Yeah.
Yayimbi. I was wearing my good jeans, but with that t-shirt. So I was annoyed at that because I didn't have this in my wardrobe. And so I asked Bananga, what is this thing about? And yazi, like, so batiba. Some guy in the olden days wayebanjiwe, so he couldn't be with umuntu wakhe, whatever.
Okay.
I found into bananga, but that story is wrong. But even then, when they told me about it's some guy wayebanjiwe kwatin, I was like, Goku, what's that got to do with me?
Yeah.
And so I carried that attitude towards it since then. And fortunately enough, I have never been in a relationship where it's actually observed as a thing.
Yeah. Me too.
I'm not saying
for some reason, I don't know why.
Abantu wrong or anything. But I got to learn actually, Saint Valentine's is a priest back in the 3rd century, I think, where like some emperor, I don't know what an emperor is, kumkani or whatever, or president in nowadays. Wayebeke umthetho oba abafana bangachati. Like he banned imitshato because ebefuna ama-soldier.
Okay.
So he believed if they would be married, they're not gonna make good soldiers. So
too much emotions involved. There's wife, kids.
That's not right. That's not fair. Actually, idomlo mentality because as people, sinemizwa. Like we can't help it. We're not made like steel. Like you are steel or whatever. We are emotional beings. We are spiritual beings. We feel and everything. Actually, as on soldiers zingcono, I feel I believe in ngabantu abashiya abantu emizini back at home because he will make sure those people gave them a reason enough to come back alive.
Yeah.
So don't you think that person will make a good soldier? So lona wayephambene. So Saint Valentine's, what he did, yena, because ke ngumuntu kaKristu and because he was Christian, wayeqhubeka etshatisa abantu ecaleni in secret. And so wabanjwa. Le party ke ndicinga uba ndayibaliselwa back in high school.
Yoba imane ibhalile lava yakhe.
Azange abhalile lava. Okay, mhlawumbi wayelava ke, I don't know. but into ayenzayo into yophilisa intombi yomntu awayebanjwe naye.
Or emane mthumelele letter for this person.
I don't know how he healed this daughter of this person awayebanjwe naye, but one of letters awazibhalayo wathi, to my Valentine, or from you Valentine. I think it's from your Valentine because the letter was coming from him. I might be wrong, but yeah, I think that's the story. And that's back in high school, esandenza annoyed. But yeah,
Wow.
he turns out he was a noble man.
Umna, I heard something about the soldier thing, but it was this guy was wayechita, wayechatile ne, and then a cheat, and then a paleli lava yake. Hey, letter every 14th of February.
Yena wabulawa on the 14th. Wavalelwa, then wabulawa on the 14th.
Oh, so
Kaloku kudala kwakubukiswa ngabantu, like they would phambi kwabantu. Abanye bade babede baxhome inhloko. Hey, kwakubrutal man.
yeah, ne?
But anyways, yeah, that's the dark story of it. But then later on, it was called a feast of Valentine by AmaKristu, still being celebrated because kaloku into nothando lona umuntu wayesenza into nobuthixo because umtshato.
God is love. Yeah.
Exactly. So then yade yaza kule ndawo sikuyo of modern times where it's celebrated ngabanye spiritually, abanye
Bathengelwa i-mall.
commercially, ngokuthengelwa imoto. Yayibona la nthengelwa i-mall. Hey, in South Africa we call it Lerato Kganyago Day. So yeah, man, yeah, that's what it is. I am not still for it.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, no.
Even after you've told this
I'm good.
apparently beautiful
Especially,
story.
man, the way it's been done. I don't know. For me, the pressure of now observing Utando in one day.
Yeah.
It's the same reason I couldn't be someone or observer a gospel or my connection with God on a Sunday alone.
Okay, yeah.
It's my reasoning. It comes from that. This is something I live
I
every
breathe
day.
every day.
So I can't be observing it in just one day.
One. Yeah, like
But
feel.
I ndiyazbuka i-gestures
Yeah,
zabantu,
even I was
beautiful
about to
stuff
say,
that happens around the world and whatnot.
I was about to say, but I love love. I love the fact that people baye babonise uthando and don't know, which is stuff that I enjoy to see people that abantu babhala izinto ezinice ngabantu babo and bone
Mama
it's
propose.
yeah, I understand that. So
no, that for me was like, what?
yeah.
Standard.
Yeah. So abantwana besikolo are asking each other
Why?
So I saw a couple of videos on TikTok and Facebook. Yeah, these boys, they're asking this abantwana abangamantombazana to be there. Homework, assignment.
When Valentine?
No.
Is it because zangufuna uba ube Valentine? That's how you feel ngohlobo?
Not really. I think ayona that kind of it is my man bahleke. Because of ingathi lamajita azithembile lawe and then
boys have confidence.
No,
that
they
girls
don't. Igwababa could have saved him.
Wait.
Yabona Igwababa is
ufuna umuntu angayithatha chance.
No, but I think to me ne, it's like umchato, ne? Umchato, when you want to get married to someone, there are conversations about this thing, meaning you're not gonna do izinto ezingekhoyo and then ask this person to to marry you
to sort
and
of
then
save your relationship.
Yeah, I understand that. So when people when some lady says no to ba xa kuproposiwe athi umuntu hayi akafuni, to me it's like, bro, you should have had this conversation so that uzoyazi lo muntu ba ume ndawoni.
But no, but okay, wait. Indaba yomshado.
Wait, him. So these boys, abantwana bafuna nabo esikolweni, right? So they should know where do they stand.
Kanjani if it's a crush though?
So uzolinda iValentine.
Yeah, you go home.
Ubukise ngomntana
kind of thing.
Ubukise ngomntana.
No, it's not ukubukisa. Is it really ukubukisa? But it's a day eku-celebrate uthando. Abanye abantu, I guess they're gonna go all out to take a chance. Masithi nyane nayo kwababa, ne? He's been busy talking himself into
until abe
doing
ready.
this
Angabi
thing.
pressured by Valentine's.
Do you call it pressure though?
Ewe.
What if ucinga famba lo mntana is this is what they want?
No, but you clearly this is not what they want. That's
And
why
you're
I said
gonna
no.
find, unfortunately, you're gonna find out ngola hlobo, but it doesn't mean people must not take a chance.
On Valentine's Day.
Yes, on the day.
Sonke anniversary
gestures are being done. Have you seen what happens on Valentine's
Sonke
Day?
anniversary that's being 14 February.
So what?
This guy.
Someone died and that day is being celebrated. So don't be like that, please.
Exactly.
But he died doing an act of love. But I don't see anything wrong with people taking a chance. But window yabantwana, because now whenever umntana gets rejected publicly, I always feel for them because I don't know how they're gonna take it.
Okay.
Are they prepared?
Yeah, there was a boy.
Yeah,
there was a boy. Umfuchane. I was like, I feel for him. So that's why in the city bar.
Also, when who annoys you is the ones abangathi bakhona. Kaloku uqinisa isibindi uyaqobisa. I mean, uphambi kwe-boys zakhe netrombi zakhe, so he must, be like, I got this.
Oh, okay.
And uzama ubonisana lo azise kuyi-flowers and the teddy bear.
No, but
but
I know, but like as a female, like we people about the emotions, right? And we would prepare honesty and umntu xa esoyika abonise ukoyika kwakhe, and there because we singabantu abanecharishayo, we will find a way to say no, okanye find a way to nurture this bar. Man, John, this is
no, but that didn't happen for your boy who you felt for.
Kaloku yena, I saw someone ongena confidence, ne? But uyenze publicly ngolwa hlobo, and then what rejection?
Sometimes public.
Upushwe peer pressure.
Hayi ngcono aba confident. It's worse for yena because Goku we must take out our tissues because we are tlimpinika.
Yeah,
this thing is not for the faint-hearted.
Could have said.
That's why in Ditiba we too. I feel for Bona because I'm always hoping to prepare you for indaba rejection because rejection is part of it. When people do these things, with the mentality anything can happen. Yes.
Ungabi lan ba uzawuvuma.
Yabo. And now abavuma, and then what?
So I think in life general, we should be taught, but again, I don't think you can ever be ready for a rejection. You have to be and yes, because nobody you are super strong. But you can have
conversations with your kids though. That's what I'm trying to say.
In life,
we must
in
teach
general,
these kids. I mean, we had a conversation just the other day with one of our kids. Should to consider because we could see by so you kind of I don't know whether I could call it preparation or what. But hobbies like these things happen, and I can't be that person is not a bad person. It's just that they feel ngola hlobo, and that's okay.
At that
now
moment.
We feel ngola hlobo, and that's okay. the time for you to is not the time.
It's not the time.
And you must move right along.
Yeah, there were boys ke kwezi video bendizibona. There were boys baselokishini. So I think bazichomi bonke. So they had
I saw those. They were so cute.
they had gifts for amacherabo.
I saw those. They were so cute. Abantwana.
They had gifts for amacherabo, and then now they xa omnye siya ayambona uba uyaqhosha.
Those I love. I enjoy.
Kasi love, yeah. I am for that.
Where?
Yeah, and yeah,
Pro
I'm
Kasi,
for
pro
yo.
babe.
That's me all day long. Yeah, but yeah, like I say, but I love love. I cannot deny that I love love. I think even now that's why I never thought Pofu. I think when I started dating, I didn't think I'd want to get married, but now it's something that that is in conversation, that is in our plans, and so I love noba kutheni, and me being someone that didn't even think, but I think I shocked myself in this relationship, but I'm also proud of myself, but I can commit one like that. Okanye umntu andibone stage naqoba ngaske ndibeyela katara.
To your point though about into your proposal yomtshato or getting married eventually, because ndithuka le nto ubana ngaba phofu ayikokothuka, but being reminded, but there's people actually who propose to save a relationship. I mean, it's like say potyakele.
Yeah, go late, but
It's like having a baby to save a relationship. Like,
ooh,
why would you do that? Say potyakele, what's going to change? Now you're going to put another human being into this mess.
Potyakala.
Yeah, ibona land. It's just because window yomtshato, shouldn't that be
a next
another
layer
level
of
your relationship? Like, why is it?
I fully agree.
Like a what you call like an achievement type of thing. Like you marrying me, and therefore you have your honors in something.
You've done it, and again that you are now. Now we are so cool now, and so I was hello, is that you right? So dimbize ngegama, like I think atiba hayi dingusis sis ba nditshatile ngoku tshatela wena.
Goodness gracious. Oh, that's what it means. Is it a cultural thing?
I don't know, but ungusisi kaloku kokwabo.
Yeah, kubatshana bapha Klandla tshatele kuyo mhlawumbi nabakhe bakowabo abantu, but
yeah,
uyayibona le into yomtshato is supposed to be into yenu kula relationship yenu. The next step relationship, it's not an achievement.
The next step commitment,
yeah, marriage certificate, it's got nothing to do with guys,
yeah, ne?
Hi, people must just chill. But anyway,
yeah,
I don't think ndanukubasela lento, but ndandikhe ndanikwa i-Valentine card.
Eculayo.
Yayicula? Yayingaculi, but it was huge, like ayithengwe ngomnye ubhuti.
Uyahleka.
Ngubhuti kum e-eriyeni wandinika le Valentine card, and I didn't know what to do with it. I was a child. Ndayifaka ebhakeni quickly because I was on my way home. Ndabhaqwa ngumpumi.
Cheers.
Hey, funny. Like I took it quickly because also ndandi uncomfortable ukuma naye estradweni. Kaloku thina sikhule at a time where suthana amakhwenkwe ndubhaqa umene nkwenkwe, so all those talks, so you wouldn't be caught dead ume nomntu oyindoda wesi ungubhuti and unika i-Valentine card. So I quickly grabbed it and then I put it in my bag and then ndahamba. So xa ndifika endlini ndilibele uba kukho le way, because ndive ndafika, my routine is to put my bag phaya nini ngikhulule mhlawumbe ishirt ikawusi ngipolishe ihlanga ndenze homework and all that pheke so ndalibala xa ebuya emsebenzini uyazichecka incwadi every 3 days that's the way up Zingisa intoni la xa ndithi it's like intoni kuthanda unjonga ngolo hlobo I'm like andiyaba mandithi intoni wathi sundenza muncu anzelwa ngesono andingaba mama besalive mna like
naniqatha mama
nithethe ngesalive that was not me she always like to say that it's like umakhulu wamahle nje xa singathi siyamtsatsela athi uyayazi nandingutsotsi qonda phindo we know of utsotsi kule family but it's not you but you can't say that out loud you can think it but
esikolweni kufuna imali emedula oplongata
wathanda ukutsho kanye kumpumba andingabo bazali mna I'm like no man like lento ndinikwe esikolweni ngoku uzayithini ungayithatha
utsho kuyi
ndibethwe mna hayi makayithathe andiyanda ngokuba wayithini yaphela ngolo hlobo into yevalentine nam bempini into engazaziyo anywho swiftly moving right
yeah so this week Mandela Bay Arts Festival 2025 is iyaqala dinqala Friday. It's a beautiful festival. I think it's one of the first it's one of the few festivals in the country that is for artists,
that especially for artists, especially emerging.
Yabona ufumanise ba like artists, the only thing that they need to do is just a showcase. That's it.
Of which that's exactly what artists want. They just want to showcase. That's it. Any manga business. Hey, please just give me a platform and I'll show you. And money to do this because
you're imali.
Exactly,
yeah. So I think it needs to be supported more by the people that is for, like, because it's for artists as Nelson Mandela Bay primarily. So the artists as Nelson Mandela Bay, they need to support it. Even the artists as he involved, just because they got paid for it doesn't mean they shouldn't market it. Because they'll do like everything in their power to make sure the
as
festival
much as they can, because marketing it in mad.
Yeah. So the artists also, they need to do their part to make sure when it's
they
known,
put their shows out there.
Yeah, it's like sithatha abantu kwezindawo zethu sibase where the festival is.
Also money activations.
Kaloku, remember you saying
marketing
idinga imali.
So that leyo ixhomekeke kwi-funding more funding that they can get from stakeholders from the Eastern Cape, not even Mandela Bay, because jonga into yobana ngaba they allow ilanduka artists from Eastern Cape to apply to showcase for as long as bane participants zabo which is yabona ba intentional nto leyo. So Eastern Cape yonke maybe I support financially. We're not talking a pat on the back here. We need money.
So because this is their third
annual.
This is the third annual. So obviously it's still very early days. So I'm sure now they're trying to find their feet and yonke lando, because I think ibhayili khulu
ikakhulu.
Yabo. So
afani nasekhini
because ekhini literally it's like indlela A1. So even if there's nothing happening mhlambe location, but uyayazi ba ikhona festival. Yeah.
Like you can walk from a location to town. Okay, from where we were staying anyway. We can have a secret festival.
So I think for us, like, every corner, whether usuka the western side of Eastern Cape okanye the eastern side of Eastern Cape okanye usuka ema-Cradock emandondoni,
There should be
like there
banners
should
all
be
around.
something where that creates the mood and ezawuthi umntu noba uhamba phi ayazi ba eBhayi ngexesha elithile kwenzeka
noba umuntu
le nto.
uyadlula mhlawumbe besuka unyanisile because I mean you could be
Going to Cape Town from East London.
and there should be a banner kwela cala ebonakalisayo uba there's a festival right now.
Mhlawumbi xa ungena
Umuntu aqonda uba,
eMotherwell.
I can catch up with
Just
whatever.
some one show.
Yeah.
It's like an hour and don't know.
yeah.
So we are
So
urging stakeholders to support this
Please.
festival. Please, 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 please. Even though Ngunjula,
Hey, man.
yeah,
Pampa mali.
kapampe pa, and so that is cooler, because I don't think we want this to end.
No.
It's one of the
It's needed.
few things
in Nelson
essentially,
Mandela.
like,
In fact, in the Eastern Cape, it's needed.
I literally fight with everyone. Oiklekai.
Ne?
Yeah.
I look when you are pro art, you are for the art. You can't help yourself. No be artist is zithini. Art first. I mean, sixabanaqo when it comes to this, but i-artist this, i-artist that. Noba zingakuthini, zingakukhathaza zithini. But yeah, I love it, Owen.
Yeah.
I love it even for the culture because, I mean, look at what you've done.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. But yeah, I think talking about Mandela, I was saying, I literally fight with everyone because if festival, like family festival where everyone can come in from, you can go with your kids and don't. I'll always be for that.
Thing.
Yeah, well, so
Yaqonda uba i-art ifundini into edingekayo in the community. I mean, art, there's something amazing about art.
Yeah.
I mean, the first thing a child does is sing.
Yeah.
That's a human being.
Even naxa iqala ubhala uqala arhoqoze enze
That's a human
izinto
being's
ezininzi
first
kuleyo.
steps ebomini. They sing, they dance. Akakwazi nothetha lo mntu. That's art.
And if you give them a pencil, uzawurhoqoza.
Uzawubonisa. You can frame that as abazali. I've seen an ad where these kids bayadrawisha edongeni. I think he had some tea brand. Bayadrawisha edongeni. Umama wabo waxa izaba nomsindo wakhumbula uba kake ndizenzele iti. After iphunge iti wathatha i-frame, photo frame, wavele wayibeka pha. Yangathi it's part of.
Oh man.
Art is beautiful,
Art
baby. Art is powerful. I mean, Jonga, what we are trying to achieve with art, changing communities.
Yeah, changing people's lives.
Imagine if the government can support art fully, like what they're doing in America. I mean, it can ingazisimali where funds are not being mismanaged, zichanelwa right, kunikwa abantu ngokufanelekileyo, everything is done. I'm not saying, because right now I don't know actually how are funds being distributed and stuff. But ingaske umntu like Nelson Mandela Bay, Mandela Bay Arts Festival, like whenever there's people that are doing something meaningful, ingaske bayifumane support fully.
Oh man.
So that izokula, so that izokwenza lendo it is meant to do.
Yeah. Yeah, ne? But yeah, like everything, eqalayo, there's a room for improvement, which I think more than anything, man, I honestly feel like artists that are performing Payana, they have the power to make this thing be huge. I understand that, because when you market your show and bringing people to your show, you're not only doing that to cause apart from getting paid, ne?
Of which the it's like it's upfront.
Well, apart from
this is
from that,
commission.
Yeah, but apart from that, also majority a percentage. I don't know. I think it's 90 or 80%.
I think it's 90%
Yep,
of your ticket sales goes out to the artists. So the festival keeps 10% for your administration. Like it's nothing.
And like
So that's an extra fee.
yeah,
on
like
top of
uzenzela wena show. Like ticket sales don't do anything because you have to
you pay
venue, you sound, you band, yeah, rehearsal fees, marketing, and young so
graphic designer.
Yeah, you understand that. And so young lando
Project manager if we're talking a big project.
Yeah. Well, so young lando, yeah, you can't really make money. You can't really make a profit. But Nelson Mandela Bay
has
says,
made sure.
Nelson Mandela Bay Arts Festival says, bring your budget and inga exceed malethile, and then we'll
cover this.
We'll cover this for Wena, and then on top of that, you'll get paid for Ilenduk from Ilenduk ticket.
So if you're selling a ticket, you stand a good chance of making a profit out of your project.
Yeah.
So why are people hesitant to market?
I don't know, but I think also on top of that, it's not only in Dubai you get Mali, but also your brand.
Oh yeah,
is gonna be known
because
because it's out there.
This platform is big. It is a big platform.
Because kukho abantu abayayo ku shows they just giving. For instance, ku National Arts Festival when I used to perform corner, like I had people that saw me for the first time and ati no nditsalwe nje ligama.
Usibu.
Yeah.
I understand. Like the audience was new every day.
Yeah, I understand. So lando I brand yakho iyayikhulisa who you no longer in the same level as you were ngoku bulenduka
I guess abantu abayicinga ilondo leyo ke because mhlambi into babebhadelwe.
Ikhona into I think ikhona because there's a what's this thing, a challenge apha eyenzwayo ko TikTok. I don't want to mention names, but there's someone that once did that a challenge is similar and wenza kahle kakhulu, and then I brand yakhe yakhula and then ngoku kukho le challenge ngoku unemali.
Oh, I think I know who you're talking about. I'm trying to think back. Oh yeah. So
imali yenza I don't know, for some reason I think Ilek makes one creative.
What?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
If bangabana I didn't lack indawo ye-performer, I wouldn't have created the Ekhaya sessions.
You didn't lack indawo your performer. Remember how Ekhaya sessions happened? Or you were not allowed to perform. Also, okay.
That's like, and also I have tried to do shows kwindawo zalapha by art centers
I
and
see
stuff.
what you mean. The platform,
yeah,
not
and when I send
stages.
emails and Dondoni and whoever I'd be speaking to, the first time umtabe excited, and then ufumansba, hey, I don't know what happened. Abuye city, ayi, ku-10
The thing though,
so
I think inhlali kahle.
So
nemali kukwenza ungafuni usebenza ubonqene. Isn't it supposed to be motivation enough for a person to want to gain more?
It should be, but a lot of us see siyasibanjalo.
First of all, do people understand by indoni mali?
It's an exchange of currency. It's an exchange of ilenduka value. You can expand it. You can sustain it. You can uyenze into
so economical. Yeah, I thought demons do economics, but thank you for that. Mnani tata as into ezanika more.
Yeah,
like a certain kind of lifestyle that I want.
So for you to maintain that lifestyle, you need
I need to get more money.
Meaning you need to
so
be
if
more
I'm an
creative.
artist, of course I have a plan. But ndifuna uzibona ndikule ndawo ngoku, and then next year ndifuna uzibona ndikule ndawo. So that means nobana I must push funds to make this a possibility.
Yes.
So if ndizati at the first chance of getting imali ndi relax, how am I gonna get to where I want to go?
Yeah, I don't know, noba ke mhlambi it's because xa unemali you don't have time.
For what?
You don't, xa unemali you always have something to do, because I think abantu when they have money kubanzima to, especially abantu abafikayo emalini, when they have money kubanzima to just let it ihlale nje pha, umuntu uhleli nje ufuna uba nento kwenza ngayo.
Yazi ndonqena uthetha kakhulu, mhlawumbi ndizabe ndithetha from a point of privilege, even though ndikhule ngekho mali ekhaya. Because I mean, guys,
the thing is this, I'm saying ndimane ndiposa ezi zinto ndiziphosayo because I'm trying to make sense of why abantu beza ngolwa hlobo, because like literally this is something that's happening, but people want, if like a project is paid for, but kunzima noba maka market to the fullest, because Tina, we boosted posts, we had flyers,
we like, you have a production to get people to watch. Okay, fine. What was the whole point of the whole preparation of a project if you're not gonna get people to see it?
Abantu don't even go that far to prepare. Abanye abantu don't even go that far to prepare for a project. Do you know?
And then
whatever. Because another thing, Mandela Bay Arts Festival, I fully report.
Oh my word!
Because also I think they're trying to but artists we trust you. We're hoping that you're gonna do right.
They're empowering them. Because it comes with the responsibility, and it is
more
having
money, more responsibility.
Power.
Yeah.
So with power comes responsibility.
Yes.
So you being trusted
to
do this thing, to be responsible for your art. And it's a challenge unto artists, because we always say into banangaba sifuna uphelisa into banangabe art ithathwa as a hobby.
Yeah.
So it's a challenge unto artists into banangaba, take yourself seriously. Uthe ufuna ukwenza into, nansi imali, yenza ke sibone. So it's a challenge unto them into bananga, do you take yourself seriously as an artist? Like, are you worthy to be an earning artist? Kule artistry yakho.
Because
even you going around telling people that you're an artist, but there's no responsible, like there's no backing, like you're not backing this with the actions zakho. Awuna discipline, awuna landuka, awuna work ethic that comes with your being an artist. You just hollering, but we artists, but awuna work ethic.
Yeah, ne? A lot of artists bayathanda to complain about in the department ye arts and culture kusebenza abantu abangezo artist. Yabo kusebenza abantu
the administrators.
Yeah. And I think because at the end of the day, as malizingaka, they have to buzz a report. So
who would be distributing these funds kakuhle if there were no administrators?
I understand. So the thing is, check this. I think we as administrators in the art sector and artists, we need to find indlela a common ground to merge, so that we as artists, we understand how administrators work, because at the end of the day, it's a whole department. Engasoze kuthiwe ba xa une idea, okay ucinga kwenza ishow emva kwendlu kokweni, okay support, but you need to give us ba imali ne sound kuza kwenzeka ntoni, like jot everything down kakuhle.
Everything
so
needs to be accounted.
Ne 5 rand it needs to be counted.
I remember
for
this Senzi project. I actually enjoyed working with, I don't know whether I should mention this person's name, but I admired indlela wasebenza nathi ngayo uNozwi.
Or from Egpeg.
I think
from Egpeg.
She mentioned in a session as I attended, she is an artist at heart because before abe administrator,
Abe
waye
artist.
perform. So she gets the struggle between being an artist
And an
and a
administrator.
person that's supposed to now project manage. Because Galogo, it's a tricky situation.
Yeah.
If we artist in J, like you just an artist, that's okay. But don't make it as if you can do this alone, whereas you don't know how to account for anything. If uyaziqonda into yobana ngaba wena strong point sakho is in just ube sekongeni
Creating and
okanye on your canvas or create whatever you need to be creating and showcase it,
Hire people
hlala
that.
pha
Yeah.
and get the people who know how to do this job right, benze umsebenzi wabo and pay them accordingly.
Yeah.
That's all it needs. It needs, njengoba usitsho uba we sidinga i-common ground, we need people who understand these strong points zabo
Anyway.
benze kakuhle.
Yeah. Because like you can't really say ba department expects artist ba mazenzi izinto ze-admin, but
No, kaloku uyaqombana ngaba
Kumsebenzi lo,
ezinye
it's-
calls xa ziphuma zithi zifuna ii-companies.
Eh,
They know, but they're not dealing with an individual.
Yes.
I-company ke inabantu abaqeshwe pha abasebenzayo.
Correct.
I-documentation forms part of you being a company. You cannot tell me into yobana ngaba you want to be taken seriously. Ungangabi nayo company. Most
but-
artists don't.
yeah.
But you're dealing with people's money. The minute you're dealing with people's money, you need to account. So you can't tell me into yobana ngaba you want to be funded, but you don't have any documentation in place that puts you on a formal. Like sikuthathe serious ba, okay, nangu love child, nansi into azanayo, uhlala endaweni ethile, nansi bank account yakhe. Hey, me a bank account.
yeah.
Umuntu angabi na bank account. Serious.
Ufuna ubhadala
So
nge-suitcase.
apparently kwakusenziwa njalo kwabanye abantu.
Utabona wayeke wathi ba uJimmy Dludlu wayebhadala.
Abanye babhathelwa ngesuke. I get those people why though.
Also, uJimmy Dludlu is a high profile, like usebenzile wabaklanda.
And therefore he can afford to be like that.
Yeah, he can afford to make those demands.
Yeah. You kaloku uyabona ba uqale funeka uqale usebenze to a point where you can wear flops on stage and be okay with it. And people back accept ba uhlala emahlathini. But ndiyawuthanda umculo wakhe.
Yeah.
Laa mntu khangavele abe ngumuntu ohlala emahlathini alantuke. No, they had to work their way up. Xa ke ngoku befika kwi-peak, because kaloku yonke into inebhalance.
Yeah.
Umntu xa efika kwi-peak uyadinwa. Nangu Andre 3000 edlala ezaa zinto azidlalayo. He can afford to do
Dlala
that
imilozi,
because
yeah.
uyi-reachile i-peak yakhe. Awuzothi ufika wena uthi ucinga ngu-Andre 3000
Uzawufika udlala imilozi.
uyayiva, and then ungafuna upresenta i-documentation yokuchazela abantu abafuna ukufaka imali kuba ungubani waphi wenza ntoni.
Yeah.
Ithini le nto yakho? What are you about?
So you cannot make demands whereas you
Ufika-
don't have anything
No.
to show ezawuchaza umsebenzi wakho.
You need to be established first, unfortunately.
Yeah, ne? Anyways, that is it for today. This conversation I didn't think is a show, but I'm glad I enjoyed it. So thank you so much for watching this. Thank you for the feedback. Please continue to support Leweyi. I promise you, we are for the artists and for the community to
Community development.
we are pro-black, we are pro-Kasi, we are pro-people, we are just pro-human
do
beings.
good.
Yeah. Otherwise, igama lam ndinguvuyiseka Maguga. This is Uzingisa Maziko. Thank you. Unonkalanga semlanjeni.